What's up guys, welcome back to another Pokemon TCG video. In this video I will show you all the ways that you can get these shop tickets right here. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, all I ask of you in return is just to subscribe. It's completely free, but it really helps out the channel. So let's get started. So you can use these tickets to purchase different stuff in the game, such as Pack Hourglass or Wonder Hourglass, and also some different covers. So the first way that you can get these tickets is by receiving these gifts right here. So, each time that someone opens your Wonder Pack right here, Wonder Pick right here, they will get an option to send you a gift which contains one of these shop tickets. And vice versa, when you open their Wonder Pick, you can also send them a shop ticket. But you can only claim 5 of these a day. So that's the first way to get shop tickets in Pokemon TCG. And the second way is actually by doing battles. If you go to battles right here and select solo, then we can just select whichever one of these. And here you can see the rewards that you will get. So by doing this battle, I will get 3 shop tickets. And that's the second and last way that you can get shop tickets in Pokemon TCG. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.